You know what to do. It's time to put your phone down and raise your attitude. The God who made the birds, sea, sun, and the moon isn't somewhere far away. He is standing in the room. So let it scream, let it shout, let him know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving. Don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created.
I considered everyone family and my friends, closest friends, besties, PFF, office mates, may mga love ko, mga sa department namin, sa company, sa dating company. Naging ka-close ko lahat kayo dito and sobrang thankful ako kasi sa milyon-milyon na in-invite ko. Kayo yun ako. Bago sa sabi ko, talagang tinatawag ko kayong lahat.
Don't sit there waiting, let's have a celebration. Me, I need less of me. Father, Son, and Spirit, that's who I call G-O-D. I used to be a blind man until you let me see that who the Son sets free, you said is truly free indeed. So let it
Mama, happy birthday. Salamat po dahil ipinanganak mo po ako sa mundo. Wow. Thank you po for offering your years. Na ipalakihin po ako and tulungan po yung pamilya sa pagiging breadwinner mo po. So I wish po for you to have good health, long life, and continue your faithful walk po with the Lord. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday.
If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate.
Hi, Ate Bern. Sobrang salamat sa araw na ito dahil sa 60th birthday mo, nakita ko ang tunay na pagpapala ng Panginoon. Not only in material things, pero sa kalusugan. At yun po yung aking panalangin, nawa ay hindi dito matatapos yung kaarawan mo. More blessings to come. Maraming salamat, Ate. Mabuhay ka.